Hey everyone, today I have for you a dog whistle. It comes on a nice long lanyard, so it's easy to have around your neck when you're training your animal. Here's the lanyard. And here is the dog whistle. And the dog whistle can be taken on and off with this little clip. You could put this on a key ring if you want to make it easily accessible. And it just makes a sound that humans can't hear, that dogs do. You can use this for training, to alert them if their behavior maybe not what you want it to be. This is very strong, and the clip here is all very good quality. The clasp here is done with a piece of metal here to hold everything together for the lanyard. And like I said, this just makes a sound that's inaudible to humans. Dogs can hear it, and other animals. So you can draw awareness to their behaviors, that they're doing something you don't like, and train them and have fun with your animal. Make your animal have a better behavior, which is more enjoyable for the whole family. I want to remind you that I do a free monthly giveaway. You can subscribe, comment, and like on the YouTube channel you are watching, or on the URLs listed below in the text. Thanks for watching.